one password. That's all it takes. And if your password is 123456 or just password, you are not just risking your account, you are handing over your entire digital life to the hackers. In this video, I will show you on the live screen how weak password can be cracked in seconds. This video is created strictly for educational purpose only to raise awareness about dangers of weak passwords and how that can affect your life. The tools and techniques which are demonstrated are part of ethical hacking and red teaming. Never use these tools or methods for illegal purpose. It is a criminal offense. Alright, now let's get started into the simple hacking setup. I am using Kali Linux, the most popular operating system for penetration tester and ethical hackers. One of the tools we will use today is called Hydra, and it's a brute force tool. It keeps on trying different passwords from a list until the right password is found. I will run it on a demo login page created just for this demonstration purpose. Here you can see a common password list called rocku.txt. It's a publicly available content and it is containing 14 million leaked passwords from the real world data breaches. Your password also might be here. Now I'm going to run Hydra on our dummy login page. Watch closely. With a few seconds, it cracks the password. Here in this demonstration, for the login page, the username is B and the password is 12345678. It is very sad to say, people still use this kind of password in real world. In 2024, a report found that nearly 20% users still use the passwords like 123456 or the serial keywords in the keyboards. Not just for Facebook or Gmail, but even for online banking and work accounts. You can check if your email or password was part of the data breach. You can use this site haveibeenpwned.com. It is a free and super useful tool. Now the question is, what can you do to stay safe? Always use strong and unique passwords, minimum 12 characters with numbers, symbols and uppercase letters. Never use personal information like name, date of birth or obvious words. Use password managers like Bitwarden, LastPass or KeePass. Password managers can encrypt and store all your passwords securely so that you do not have to remember it. So by now you have seen how easy it is to break a weak password. A password isn't just a word, it's a key to your digital home. If you use a weak one, it is like leaving your door wide open. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and drop comment below. Do you use any password manager? Please let me know. If you want me to do any other live demonstration for password hacking like Wi-Fi password hacking or something, please let me know in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Stay informed, stay secure and help your friends and family to stay safe online. Bye.